In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add a contact in Microsoft Outlook quickly and efficiently, focusing on the 2025 methods. Now, adding contacts is a fundamental task that can make your communication flow so much smoother, especially if you're regularly reaching out to new people or expanding your professional network. So let's dive in and simplify this process for you. First, you'll want to navigate to Outlook Web, which is Microsoft's online email platform. Once you're there, look at the left sidebar and find the people icon. It looks like a little duo silhouette representing contacts. Clicking on this icon will take you directly to the section of Outlook that handles contacts, which is our goal today. Now that you are in the contacts section, let's go ahead and create a new contact. You'll see an option for new contact. Click on it. This action will open a drop-down menu where you need to select Create Contact. Think of this as opening a blank form where you'll fill in all the necessary details for your new contact. It's designed to be intuitive, so all the fields should look familiar if you've added contacts in other places before. Here comes the part where you'll enter all the necessary details. Start by entering the name of your contact. You can include both first name and last names to keep your records tidy. Then move on to adding the email address. It's crucial to input the correct email to ensure seamless communication. If you have their phone number, go ahead and enter it as well. You'll notice there are multiple fields such as company, job title, and anything else applicable that can help categorize and organize your contact. Once you've input all the pertinent information, look for the Create button. By clicking it, you finalize the creation of this contact. This action saves your new contact to your Microsoft 365 account. A neat feature here is that it will sync automatically across all your devices, so whether you're on your phone, tablet, or another computer, your contact is there, ready to be used, and just like that, you've added a new contact manually in Microsoft Outlook. It's worth mentioning this method keeps your contact list organized and accessible wherever and whenever you need it. This small investment of time in organizing your contacts can save you from future headaches. Thank you for following along with me today. Hopefully, you found this guide straightforward and helpful. Remember, staying on top of your contacts can improve your productivity and give you greater ease in connecting with others. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make the most of your Outlook experience. Feel free to reach out with any questions, and until next time, happy content.